You just got a 360-degree camera. So what are you going to do with it? Why not make some art? Come on, I'll show you. Start by finding a cool shooting location. Look for interesting features, contrasting visuals, and not too many people around, because you will look a little silly while you're shooting. Perfect. Now put the camera on a tripod or selfie stick, set it for a short delay before each shot, and go take a lot of pictures. Get a lot of different shots. Up close to things, far away, crazy angles. Hide yourself in some shots, be visible in others. Basically, experiment. Nope, not yet. Trust me, you'll be glad to have more options later. Now let's see what you got. Sync up your 360-degree camera with your phone. Then use the camera software to check out the shots you took. Manipulate and twist the images until something catches your eye. Then, export the picture. Sorry, you're not. Now repeat the process with the other shots you took. Nah, just the ones that look interesting. Manipulate, twist, warp, export. Manipulate, twist, warp, export. Manipulate, twist, warp, export, manipulate. I think you get the idea. Once you've exported some flat images you like, stop and take a break. Don't even think about the pictures for a while. It'll give you fresh eyes, so you'll make better artistic choices. Now that time has passed, you've got a fresh perspective. You're ready for the next step. Oh, right. Of course. So when you're ready, look through all the images you exported. See which one speaks to you. Great. Now open it up in your favorite image editing app, then edit. Make a lot of changes to see what you like. Try filters, highlight certain areas, play with color, texture, saturation. Just like when you were taking the pictures, experiment. And every time you make a big change, export. Do it again and again. Yes, but not for long. You'll delete most of them later. And don't be afraid to make weird or bizarre edits. You never know what can lead to a great discovery. Once you've got a bunch of variations, take another break. Go on, enjoy yourself. Has it been a while? Are you ready for the final step? Oh, sure. No problem. Now that you've got fresh eyes again, look through all your images and choose the one you like best. Boom! You've got your final picture. Save that one and delete all the others. Congrats! You made 360-degree art. You're done. Until it's time to make another.